what's on ka hina i manyanga tsi dokomisa so loko ri nga subscribe ni kombela subscribe. So for those who are new to this channel, I post Xitsonga music updates, Xitsonga entertainment updates, na ku mlumandleve ka swin'wana na swin'wana leswi ni va kha ni swi tiva, which I feel like the fans should know. So namuntlha album ya Dr. Joe Shirimani was released ku nga ti 15th of December 2021. The album is Shirimani O'Clock. Cover 100%. The naming of the album catchy. The sound perfect. Content dololo. I was watching this other interview which Dr. Joe Shirimani did, Xitsonga music promotion, and I also watched the video ya promo video. I feel like Dr. Joe Shirimani is trying to sugarcoat we're struggling with songwriting. Se va swi sugarcoat va ku hayi lo endla tinsimu to tsaka ntsena. So what I realized in kombela ku swi vula in the most respectful way, Dr. Joe Shirimani sound perfect each and every album that he releases. He makes sure ku sound very perfect, no la ti touches na tinsimu loko a tlhela wo yingisela na keyboard from track number 1 to track number 8 wa switwa wa ku tlangi munhu un'we and ku hlangana mazongo mo tala. Kambe lexi xi fika ku xi tika, I've always been saying this, i timhaka ta ku ta songwriting. I timhaka ta songwriting, there's a difference between ku endla tinsimu to tsakisa vanhu na ku endla tinsimu ta childish. So I think most of the songs that Dr. Joe Shirimani now are match in terms of songwriting, and I match no swi vulisa leswani ku n'wi mi nga ku voneni mi ni follow up, and a ko va ku a match ko va ku Dr. Joe Shirimani va ha ri na dini ya disco. You know, ka disco you just go into studio and say bam bam echena bam 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 echena bam bam, then you get a catchy beat, super, it's a hit. You can go to studio and say yande 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 yande, then love the whole song. You shall say gold. However, guys, music song, you must write songs. You must go hard on the pen. So I feel like Dr. Joe Shirimani is still in denial. If this is an advice, if he still wants to play song and music, he must get people to write songs for him, people to be in studio to give him bridges now. At the catchy part for his music, you know, that's the only thing that he likes. He still has that thing when it comes to the sound. Kambe loko swi ta ka ku yimbelela swilo swa ku tsakisa, which is gonna entertain his target market, the people that he call fans, swa va hlula. And one thing that I've realized, once someone becomes a fan, especially ka music wa Xitsonga or siya dzongo handle, they don't think anymore. They get entertained by everything that you release. Example, music xin'wana na xin'wana xi nga nghena xi ku tsakisa loko wo ti nyiketela ka ku xi yingisela. Hambi no sungula ku chaya mathini se mi ma yingisela mi tele, ku na van'wanyana maybe 5 people va nga ma rhandzaka mathini lamaya. No disrespect to Dunsand Baloyi, u kona munhu loyi genuinely I believe ku risimu leri ra Dunsand Baloyi ra Tswepu is a hit. So there are people who I know are gonna be in denial with this. Kambe kuna vanhu lava va ntshembaka ku a hinkwavo va nga ti-fans who are changed, va ta switwa leswi ni swi vulaka ku he needs songwriters. If he doesn't want to work with other people, it's best to ya ta endlela disco. And I think there are a lot of people lava va nga va lava ku twa mpfumawulo wa yona. Just listen to all the whole album. Look, I thought I disco, it was gonna be nice, no? So that's all I wanted to say about album by Dr. Joe Shirimani. And I'm always saying this year ku peteliwe, whether mun upi sound wise, van'wanyana wo pay content, van'wanyana wo hope maybe because they were being the pitch, they couldn't sing. I feel like maybe the stronger music leaders are too comfortable. Kombela ukubosha maviti, the likes of Mr. Pools, the likes of Wasandland, the likes of Benny included, the likes of Prince Rangani, they were too comfortable this year. Vaya and la kombela ku sweka ndlela leyi kombela ku hlamusela kahle mi-interest is tinsimu leti ti nga huma this year hi December, kombela ku swi vula so loko a ti lo huma hi December ya 2016 a ku ta va ku ri ti-hit, but sound evolves. Ku yingisele sound yin'we from roughly 2012 till this year, it's 10 years va kha va tlanga sweswin'we va kha va suma hi ndlela yin'we. So I feel like they should find more creative ways to give us something new. And a ku vula mina ntsena ni nga na opinion lava nga le handle who are listening to music, you can tell this year there's no a swi fani na last year ku ri na malambani ayi to malambani. This year kwa nchumu loko lembe ri kuza ku zamanyana risimu ra beef swi vula ku there's nothing to offer, no? So I feel like that upcoming artist, this is your chance. But it's all one there, but they ran out of creativity. Ava ha swi tivi lero va caged va caged xiboksanini loko va ya hala va fika va gemba, loko va ya hala va gemba va ha swi tivi va to huma njhani ka sound leyi va yi tlangaku sweswiwani. And a ve le ku swi voneni ku na ti-fans to tala ti le ku loseni ka interest. So ku ciniwa electro December leyiwani. But anyways, nxondza mi ku hlamusela hi ndlela leyi yi nga xonga yi nga ri ku rude. So loko ri wase subscriber ni kombela u subscriber, and for those who need promotion on kumeka 0649689940. And again ni swi vula in a constructive way, these guys must find creative ways to entertain us. It's been 10 years va ha tlanga sweswin'we, and honestly we are tired. You are tired, my man, you know, kambe u nge pfumeli because you are a fan. You don't want to disappoint yourself, because swi fana na loko u tshemba xilo, loko se u rhandza xilo hambi xo endla swo ka swi nga ri kahle swa tika ku u ti tshembisa ku a xa ha ri right. So before I khoma hi ti-COVID kombela mi subscribe hi vito ra Yesu Kreste. I'm annoyed.